In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in YouTube. We're going to do this through Google Chrome on your computer by changing a site permission, so YouTube can't interrupt you with pop-ups or alert banners while you browse. Start by opening Chrome. Make sure you're in the browser window you actually use for YouTube, especially if you have multiple profiles in Chrome, because notification settings are saved per profile. With Chrome open, head into Settings. You'll find it by clicking the three dots in the top right corner of the window, then selecting Settings from the menu. This is where Chrome keeps all of the controls that affect what websites can do. On the Settings page, click Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. This section focuses on what data sites can access and the kinds of prompts they're allowed to show. Next, choose Site Settings. Think of Site Settings as your master list of permissions, from location to camera to, in our case, notifications. Now click Notifications. This page controls whether sites can ask to send notifications and which sites you've already allowed or blocked. You'll see lists that separate allowed and blocked sites, along with default behaviors. We're interested in finding YouTube here. If you've previously allowed YouTube to send alerts, it will appear under Allowed. If you don't immediately see it, scroll through the list. Entries are grouped and may be organized by recent activity. Sometimes the site is labeled with the full domain, like youtube.com. Once you find YouTube, change its permission to block. In most cases, you can click the three dots or the arrow next to the site and switch the setting from Allow to Block. This revokes its ability to send notifications through Chrome, stopping things like new video alerts, live stream reminders, and recommendation pop-ups in this browser. The change is immediate, so there's nothing else you need to save. A quick note on what this affects. Blocking here only controls notifications delivered by Chrome on this device and profile. It doesn't change notification settings in the YouTube mobile app or other browsers you might use. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same notifications page, find YouTube under Blocked, and switch it back to Allow. That's all there is to it. By opening Chrome, going to Settings, clicking Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, then Notifications, finding YouTube, and setting it to Block, you've turned off YouTube notifications in Chrome and reclaimed a quieter browsing experience.